Yo, what is going on, everyone in crypto space? And yes, I thought I would be taking some time off. However, staying away from the XRP community and the XRP space is quite tough even during the holidays, so I was able to catch about 20 minutes here. I'll just give a brief overview of the market, give a little update on the technical analysis and kind of what happened last night, because what happened last night caught everyone off guard, caught me off guard. You're lying if you're saying it didn't catch you off guard, because we had no clue this was coming out. It was not even speculated nor expected to any level or form, and it just came out that Binance will be adding more XRP trading pairs. And really, the question I was asking was, hey, are they just going to add just cryptocurrency to XRP pairs, or are they going to add some fiat to XRP pairs? And if so, would that cause Binance to be a XRapid liquidity provider for banks? So, either way, it had massive effect on price last night. And actually, we're starting to see some price have some recovering right now as well. And we'll get into that in a sec. So, last night, what happened was we broke the 40-cent level prior to the Binance announcement. Here's what I want you guys to know. If you hear the crypto media saying Binance base pair causes bull run, bullcrap, because XRP was already moving prior to that announcement occurring. So what I want you guys to know is that XRP, I believe it was right around this level. It was like just under 40 cents. It was approaching, it was approaching that, psychological 40-cent level resistance. And what happened was, while it was approaching 40 cents, Binance then came out with the tweet, which again got massive exposure, and then that really catapulted XRP. So XRP was already starting, being a little bit bullish in the technical analysis terms. It was already, having some bullish movement, but like the Binance announcement helped catapult that movement even further. So without that announcement, it probably would, barely past 40 and maybe get to like 41, 42 and come back down. But because of that Binance announcement, that's where we saw the huge catapult from 40 cents all the way to almost 47 cents. Now, one thing I do want to say, this is going to sound a little bit weird and sacrilegious, but I am glad XRP did not go up any further. Here is why. There is such a thing as essentially markets going up too fast. Going up is good, no doubt, but you want to go up in a healthy manner. Like, for example, when we were back in, I want to say a couple months ago, when XRP went from 50 to 80 cents in the span of just 30 minutes, that went up way too fast, and it came right back down. We ended up going right back into a bearish state after that. Last night, I was glad to see we didn't go too crazy and go past like another emotional resistance level of 50 cents. I was glad to see we did not pass that. I'm sort of glad to see we went to 47 cents and we kind of held it there and then had a retracement. Started to trend up a bit and then had a deeper retracement, and then now at the 618 Fibonacci level, we actually sort of found another support level. So Fibonacci, it's kind of hard to explain, but basically markets do tend to respect fibs, just like support resistance levels. So if you take the Fibonacci from the lowest point before the run and then to the top of the run, you get all these fib levels. And what happened is after this retracement, at around 40 cents, we found a support level, and you can see the market was trying to break through a support level here from Fibonacci. Just didn't accept it. Market didn't accept it. Market did not accept it. Market did not accept it. Tried to break through one last time. Market did not accept it. And now, as of right now, we are seeing the market starting to push back up again, and we are coming next to the resistance at the 382 Fibonacci level, or known as, just the 43 cent level. So we are approaching a resistance like right now during this video. We are really close to that resistance level. Interested to see if we do pass that, or if we do sort of test it, then come back down and maybe have a higher low. But either way, XRP looking really good on the charts, to be honest. But again, last night I was so glad. It sounds very sacrilegious, but I was so glad we didn't go up like way too much, because what happens, look at the 80 cent rally that I'm talking about from a couple months ago on the charts. It just went up way too fast, and you don't want to have that happen. So I'm glad we found a retracement. We're actually going back down, and now look at that. We bounced off the 618, we tested 618, and now we're already going back up, and we're now back in the 42 cent range. So the charts ain't looking too bad. Again, you need retracements for a market to be healthy. We can't just always go up. That is not sustainable at all. It can have serious downsides to just going up in a straight line with no retracement at all. It's very unhealthy. So glad to see what we did. Nice pump to 47 cents. I got to watch this live, which was freaking awesome. I was just on the edge of my seat the whole time and trying to figure out where the top was actually going to be. So pretty exciting stuff there. So now we see the retracement back down, and then we're finding support at the 618 Fibonacci, and we are coming up to a potential resistance level right here. And let's see if later today, if we come to test that 46-cent level again over the next couple days. So there's kind of the TA update of the XRP markets. Again, price action looking very exciting, and I'm curious to see over the course of the next couple of days, are we going to test that resistance level again? And what we want to do is we want to push through that resistance level. That'll be a very bullish sign. What we don't want to do is we don't want to, like, come up to the resistance and then just like test it, then bounce, and then start coming back down again. However, if that does happen, then we can go into like a cup and handle formation, which will actually cause it, to catapult through the resistance level. But anyways, in my honest opinion, I think over the course of the next couple of days, or maybe even today, we're probably going to see us test that resistance level of 46 cents, as well as 45 cents. And I think in the next couple minutes we'll probably test the resistance of 43 cents. So XRP chart's looking pretty good. We're right now sitting at 42.5 cents. It's nice to see some green finally, and especially during the holiday times, which is pretty exciting. So there's a TA update, guys. Don't expect like a stream or anything later, because I was just able to find this little short span of time while family was going out to pick up food and whatnot. So this is all I'm gonna get for you guys today. Just a quick video, no streams at all, but there's your TA update. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, check the links in the description if you want to support the channel. Get yourself Nano S, keep the cryptocurrency safe. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you never miss a video or a stream. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Always appreciate your insight, and I'll see you guys in the next one.